Today we will show you how luxury leather jackets are made from bison skin inside factory, full process.
This is where modern industrial creation begins. The journey begins in careful managed open-range environments. At the edge of the ranch, the process begins with careful coordination. Every movement is guided with precision toward the loading path. Step by step, the herd moves toward the transport stage. The transport system locks into place for safe transfer.
Each step is managed with structured precision and care.
And now, the journey toward the processing facility begins. From the ranch gates, the convoy begins its long industrial journey. The road leads them closer to the processing facility. The environment shifts from open land to industrial precision. Every mile brings them closer to controlled processing. This is where raw material enters controlled transformation.
Access is granted into the industrial processing zone.
Every entry is verified under strict industrial control.
Inside, the system is ready for structured processing.
Precision positioning prepares the next stage of transfer.
The transfer system is now fully connected.
Every step is guided through structured control zones. The transition into the factory begins with precision handling. Inside the facility, the controlled holding phase begins. Each space is designed for calm and controlled transition. The chamber is secured for the next stage of processing. Conditions are maintained for controlled stabilization. Every movement is observed through real-time monitoring systems. The system prepares for controlled transfer to processing lines. The process transitions into controlled cleaning preparation.
Each surface is purified through structured water systems.
Mechanical precision ensures uniform cleaning across every layer. The system maintains purity through controlled filtration cycles. Excess moisture is removed for uniform processing readiness. Now prepared, the material moves toward transformation. The material now enters the transformation phase inside controlled tannery systems. Inside sealed chambers, structure begins to transform. Every cycle is precisely measured for consistent quality. The structure is refined through controlled stabilization systems. Pressure and precision define the final surface quality. Now refined, the material is ready for shaping.
Every sheet is digital analyzed before precision shaping begins.
Digital mapping defines every cut with exact precision.
Machines shape raw material into structured garment forms.
The assembly line comes alive as stitching begins. Every seam is formed with measured industrial precision. Every component flows into organized production channels. Now the design moves toward structured assembly. The structure is refined to define its final form. Each shoulder is shaped with controlled industrial precision.
Detailing begins with exact placement of every component.
Every detail is secured for lasting performance.
Precision is verified before final presentation.
Now complete in structure, they move toward final validation. Strength and structure are secured in every seam. Each section is carefully joined into a unified form.
Individual pieces merge into structured garment forms.
The garment now takes its final crafted form.
Every finished piece enters strict quality control.
Surface perfection is checked under controlled lighting.
Precision data confirms structural accuracy. Every detail is tested for durability and alignment. Only perfected pieces move forward in production. The final stage of production is now within reach.
From factory line to final presentation, the product reaches its showcase stage.
Each piece is presented with precision and craftsmanship.
Design, structure, and finish come together in every movement.
The final products are prepared for global distribution.
From factory floor to worldwide delivery, the cycle completes. And this is how modern factories produce leather jackets from start to finish.